Bakit parang nagkaroon ka ng selective amnesia, Mr. Diskaya? Would you like us to believe na may nanghihingi during the current administration tapos walang nanghihingi during the past administration? How would you even explain na during the past administration, top 1 contractor ka from PCIG data, and yet you are claiming walang nanghihingi unlike during the current administration? What I wish to point out, Mr. Diskaya, your affidavit is full of inconsistencies and lies.
Your Honor, ang affidavit po na ito ay tungkol lang po sa pagsuporta po namin kay PBBM po. Kasi po, ang kanya pong finalash po sa TV nung nakaraan po ay report po tungkol sa mga unprograms po na project. Kaya dito lang po ang salaysay ko hanggang...
Okay.